Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you how much I was able to make by simply opening and reading emails. Yes, you heard me right. I actually learned this from this channel called Cash Pro, where they talked about how you can easily make money by just reading emails from two websites they introduced in that video. So I'm going to share with you the processes that I took to be able to make the amount I made. And then the amounts that I made, I'm going to show you everything on my dashboard. And of course, I'm going to share with you what they didn't mention in that video that I was able to discover by myself, by doing it by myself, that I really think you should know if you're planning to make money by simply reading emails. So please make sure to watch this video to the end. So to begin, after watching that video, I quickly went to Trustpilot to check for one, if the website really pay people after doing the work, and secondly, if the website is really a legit one. And thankfully, I was able to see positive reviews about the website, actually the first website that I checked, and even someone claimed to have cashed out 4 times from this particular website. And I was really very excited knowing that some people at least have some receipts to show for it. So I decided to go to the website myself. So I went onto the website and signed up. The first things you're going to do once you get to the website is just to sign up. You're going to be asked some basic information like your name and your gender, all those kind of stuff, and then you fill out the necessary information on that website. So immediately after signing up, I was credited for just signing up, and the amount was quite okay given that what I did was just to sign up. So I decided we are going to do this. Unfortunately, immediately I finished signing up, I was not able to have any email to read as I finished signing up. So I had to wait for like 2 days. Actually, I did not really check the website again after 2 days. So after 2 days, I went to the website and then I saw that I had 3 emails to read. Also, before reading those emails, I checked the website out. I saw that you can actually make money aside from reading emails by taking surveys. You can download apps and make money, and you can buy Fiverr service. I saw one that you can buy like $5 Fiverr service and make money. Like you're going to make like $3 from buying Fiverr service. And buying Fiverr service is $5, and if you buy for $5, you're giving $3. So you're basically buying Fiverr service for $2, which is not a bad one. That is if you have a need to buy any service from Fiverr. So you can actually go through the website. So those were the things that I saw. Also, I saw that you can make money by referring people to the website, like to come and use the website, and then you earn some commission from whatever they are making while using the website. So these are basically the ways I found out that you can actually make money by using this particular website. So I quickly, started reading the emails, and what I did basically was just to tap on the email and then they opened. It showed me that I can actually go to take surveys through the email they sent, but my interest was not in taking surveys, so I concentrated on just reading the emails. And on going back to the website, I saw that I have been credited. So I was able to read the 3 emails, and then 2 days later, I got 2 emails more to read. So I did the same thing for the 2 emails. Now I'm going to show you my dashboard for you to see the total amount I've been able to make so far. But before then, I need to explain to you what I discovered about this website that video did not address. Now, the website is legit from my research, and you get paid once you've gotten to the threshold of $15. So you must be able to get $15 before you withdraw your money. However, on that website, for just signing up, you're going to have the chance to read 100 emails, and you can decide the amount of money you get to earn by just reading these emails. What it means is that you can set from higher to lower prices. But the thing there is, if you set your amount to be high, you have high chances of reducing the number of emails you're going to be reading. That is, if your payment is high, you have lesser emails to read, but if your payment is low, you have more emails to read. I also discovered that if you exhaust the 100 emails that were allocated to you on signing up, you can actually replenish them by making 50 points from surveys or games and all those kind of stuff. But the thing there is 100 points on this website is equal to $1. And if you come to the website, I'm going to show you the website right now. Now you're going to see from here that you can actually set the price you're going to earn for just reading email here, and you can see you can set it all the way to 10 cents for just one email. But you have to note that the higher your paid email rate, the faster your guaranteed paid email will become equal to 0. That was exactly what I meant by what I explained earlier. So I'm going to show you right now how much I was able to make so far. So here is my earnings. For signing up, I was able to make $3, and for the paid emails, I have read like 5 emails and I have been credited with 10 cents for 5 emails, and my balance email is 93, so I have 93 emails to read to be able to finish my 100 emails that were allocated to me. And so far for reading 5, I have 10 cents, and I don't really know how they are calculating this to be reducing the number of emails I have to read. However, I doubt if I'll be able to make up to $1 for just reading the emails that they're going to be sending to me. And remember, the payment threshold here is $15. So I think by simply reading emails, I might not really be able to get to $15 threshold. So for me to get to that threshold, I will have to do surveys, play games, or do any other thing, or even refer people to the website. That's the way I'm going to make $15. And trust me when I say this is going to take more time. So the people that said they've been paid 4 times on the website, I don't know how they are able to do that. However, if you have the strength to continue like reading emails, doing surveys, and doing all those, because to be honest, the amount they're paying for survey here is quite big compared to most websites. So if you can actually sustain this and do it maybe at your spare time, hopefully you'll be able to get to $15 and then you cash out from the website. The second website that they mentioned is called Politic. Now also I went to Trustpilot again to check out this website, but this time was really horrible. A lot of people were saying it's a scam, and others were saying they didn't get paid, that it was stressful and all those kind of stuff. So after reading those reviews, I didn't bother myself going to the website to sign up or anything. So that is basically how it went for me, and the amount $3.10 were actually what I was able to make so far. So I would need to do more work to be able to cash out. But if you're looking for a way to earn like $10 for just reviewing websites and apps, you might want to check out this video. It has worked for me. I'll show you proof in that video so that you learn and then make some money for yourself. Please don't fail to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.